So looking at Serum, we've got a wavetable position control, which is the starting grain, which is currently set to the beginning but can be shifted completely through to the end of the wavetable. If I click here to change the view, set up an LFO to the position control, change this to trigger and hit a note, we can see the position moving through the wavetable currently loaded. Serum gives you a visual readout, allowing you to see what you're hearing, which is why I wanted to use it. This is how you add basic movement to a sound, assigning the LFO to something. Usually the filter cutoff is the obvious choice, but I like the tones and timbres produced when it's assigned to the position control. Changing the rate of the envelope down here, as you may have guessed, affects how quickly the wavetable is played from the start to the end locations. And because speed controls only how long each grain is played, there is no effect on the pitch. You can see how quickly we are getting into the territory that has traditionally been considered granular synthesis. Now, because we've got an LFO envelope assigned to the position, we can start to draw in patterns down here. Just click to add a new dot and keep going until you have something you like. And that's really how I would approach designing a new sound in Serum. Select a wavetable, add an LFO to the position control of said wavetable, and play with the rate and shape of the envelope for a few hours on end. The idea is you'd then do this for your second oscillator, assigning multiple LFOs to each. From there, you can go to the effects tab up here, and you're away. The visual programming style of Serum really allows you to understand what's going on and how to manipulate it, which is one of the many reasons I think that's led to its popularity.